If you want to connect your Namecheap domain to Cloudflare and set up your name servers and DNS the right way, this video will walk you through the whole process step by step. By the end, your domain will be connected, your DNS will be managed through Cloudflare, and you'll know exactly what to do in Namecheap to complete the setup safely. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy website and software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, go to cloudflare.com and either create a new account or log into your existing account. Once you're inside Cloudflare, look at the left-hand menu and click Domains. This is where Cloudflare lets you manage and add websites to your account. Next, click Add Domain. Then select Connect a Domain, since you're linking an existing website that's already registered somewhere else. Now enter your domain name exactly as it appears in Namecheap and then click Continue. Cloudflare will scan your domain and get everything ready for the connection process. On the next screen, choose the free plan. This is a great option for most websites, especially if you just want Cloudflare's basic DNS, security, and performance features without paying for an upgrade. After that, click Continue to Activation. Cloudflare will now show you the name servers it wants you to use. Keep this page open because you'll need those exact name servers in just a moment. The next part happens inside Namecheap, so open a new tab and log into your Namecheap account. Once you're in Namecheap, go to Domain List, find the domain you want to connect and click Manage next to it. This opens the settings page for that domain. Now look for the Name Servers section. By default, it may be set to Namecheap Basic DNS or another option, but you need to change it. Click the drop-down and select CustomDNS. After selecting CustomDNS, you'll see fields where you can enter your name servers. Copy the 2 Cloudflare name servers provided for your domain and paste them into the 2 available fields. Make sure you type them exactly as Cloudflare shows them, with no extra spaces and no mistakes. This part is very important because if even one character is wrong, the connection may fail or take longer to verify. When both name servers are entered correctly, click the checkmark or save button to apply the changes. That tells Namecheap to start pointing your domain to Cloudflare instead of using the default Namecheap name servers. Once that is saved, go back to Cloudflare. In Cloudflare, click I updated my name servers. Cloudflare will now begin verifying that your domain is pointing to Cloudflare correctly. This process usually takes 1 to 2 hours, but depending on your registrar and DNS propagation, it can sometimes take up to 24 hours, so don't worry if it doesn't switch instantly. After some time has passed, you can come back to Cloudflare and click Check Name Servers Now. If everything has been entered correctly and the DNS has had enough time to update, Cloudflare should confirm the connection and finish activating your domain. And that's it. Your Namecheap domain is now set up with Cloudflare name servers and DNS. From here, you can start managing records in Cloudflare and take advantage of its speed, security, and performance features. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.